the loss of money is very much and I can't handle because I come from middle class family.
So, do you know why we are here? So, how many of you know what is final call after a session?
Hello everyone, I am Pranav, the Chief Executive Officer of my company Bhojanam.
I am Yashi and I am the Sales Targeting Officer of the Bhojanam company.
Hello everyone, I am the Chief Technology Officer and things which are we going to involve.
What we have seen in the present day restaurants is that lack of efficiency in food, distorted quality and everything. We have come with the solution Bhojanam that inculcates technology in the working of kitchens, increases their efficiency.
We target the restaurants and market workers and the students.
The technology is about the machines being packaging the food orders.
We are seeking investment 1.5 crores. So this was a great experience for me.
Before this workshop, I just think it's all about risk taking.
I learned about real-time entrepreneurship.
I realized that it needs cooperation, it needs a SWOT analysis, it needs that yes, what are the needs, the problems, the solutions for it.
This workshop helped me to learn it in a practical way.
So truly, this was a sense of erudition for me from this workshop I learned.
So this was a really wonderful workshop for me to be an entrepreneur. Thank you everyone.